Welcome to One Way Street Photography and the One Way Street Shooter channel. Today I'm going to talk about the roar pedal throttle response controller that I recently purchased for my 2011 Chevy HHR. My son actually had a 2008 without traction control that was noticeably quicker off the line. My car was nowhere near as quick as his was, but being a 2.2 and a Chevy HHR, I wasn't looking for anything spectacular, but I was definitely looking for an improvement on acceleration. I purchased the remote kit in black, which includes this black remote screen where it allows you to program the actual controller unit. The white cable is actually a charging cable that you can use in the house to charge the unit or on your USB in the car. The roar pedal throttle response controller includes a great set of instructions on how to install the unit. I won't repeat that here. I'll just explain the photos that I shot doing this. First, crawl underneath the dash. You'll find the accelerator pedal assembly and that red release on top of it. I guess my hands are too big. I could not comfortably get my hands up there to release it, so I ended up unbolting it from the firewall. Basically, it's just two 10 millimeter nuts to loosen up, and it'll come off of the studs and drop down where you can work on it. Once the accelerator pedal was in a comfortable working area, I took a small flathead screwdriver and pried up on that red square release that you see on the one connector. Once it's raised, the two connector ends easily separate. The roar pedal throttle response controller kit also includes this jumper wire that plugs into the top of the accelerator pedal assembly and also plugs into the main wiring harness of the vehicle. Eventually we'll connect the controller to the small end or the middle end of this jumper wire. In this photo we see where I connected the jumper wire end featuring the maroon retainer button into the top of the accelerator pedal assembly. Just push it in and lock it down by pushing the maroon retainer button. In this photo you can see where I connected the other end of the jumper wire into the stock or the original wiring harness with the red push button retainer. In this photo I have connected both ends of the jumper wire harness, the one end into the accelerator pedal assembly and the other end into the vehicle's main wiring harness. Both retainers have been snapped tight and I reinstalled or re-bolted the accelerator pedal assembly to the firewall. Here you can see where I have connected the actual response controller unit to the middle or the small connector that's in the middle of the jumper wire harness. I have not attached it yet. I'll show you how I've actually attached this where it's out of the way. The kit also comes with some double-sided tape that you can use to attach various pieces of the entire roar pedal throttle response controller. I just decided to attach the controller unit to the heater box. That way it's out of my way and I don't have a chance of hitting it with my foot. I'll show you what I do with the wiring harness next. The kit also comes with some zip ties. I used one zip tie to attach the wiring harness to this mounting tab on the heater box that had a hole already drilled in it. That way again, the wiring is out of my way with no chance of my foot hitting it or disturbing it. After obsessing over several minutes on where to place the remote unit, I decided to place it to the right of the steering column, which is easily reachable for me. My only recommendations as to where you place this are that you can easily reach it, your eyes aren't totally off the road, and that the charge cable will be able to reach your USB port in the dash. I used Velcro to attach it in case I change my mind. So coming back to the remote, all you do to turn it on is long press the button on top and it will power up. It'll go through a boot process. And you'll see that it starts off with the sport mode. I settled on sport mode 5. pressing the M will toggle through all of the various modes. Um, Basically, it'll start with normal, followed by eco, then you can change from 1 to 5 with the plus or minus, race, and sport plus. Um, and again, you would just toggle the different levels by going to negative or positive to lower or raise the level of the mode that you're in. To turn it off, you can long press the top button, or the unit automatically shuts itself off if it's idle for 2 minutes. No check engine lights, no other malfunction indicator lights are on. This unit has actually performed very well and has definitely increased the offline acceleration of my HHR. You'll also find a roar pedal decal, contact card, and 3-year warranty card inside the box. So would I recommend this product? It certainly did help the acceleration of my Chevy HHR, and I'm very happy with my purchase. I would recommend it.